Hello friends, hope you're well, and today's our video's topic is Easter bonnet ideas. Easter is a time for celebration, and what better way to celebrate than with a unique and creative Easter bonnet? A tradition that dates back to the 19th century, Easter bonnets are a fun and festive way to welcome the arrival of spring and celebrate the Easter holiday. When it comes to Easter bonnet ideas, the possibilities are endless. From classic pastel colored hat adorned with ribbons and flowers to more unconventional design, there are many ways to make your Easter bonnet stand out. One popular trend in recent years is to incorporate natural elements into your Easter bonnet. Consider using fresh flowers, leaves, and twigs to create a whimsical rustic look. You could even incorporate bird nests or feathers from a unique touch. Another fun idea for Easter bonnets is to use brightly colored fabric and ribbons to create a vibrant and eye catching design. Add some sparkle with glitter, sequins, or rhinestones, or incorporate playful elements such as Easter eggs or bunny ears. For those who want to take a more unconventional approach, consider using recycled material to create your Easter bonnet. Old hats, plastic flowers, and even egg cartons can be repurposed and transformed into a one of the kind bonnet. When it comes to making Easter bonnet hats, there are many materials that you can use to create a unique and eye-catching design. Here are some of the most popular materials used for Easter bonnets like straw, fabric, cardboard, felt, ribbon. Straw Traditional Easter bonnets are often made of straw, and this light-weighted material is perfect for creating a wide-brimmed hat that can be adorned with ribbon and flowers. Using fabric is another popular option for Easter bonnet. You can use a variety of materials such as cotton, linen, and silk to create a soft, comfortable hat. And cardboard, if you're looking for a more affordable option, cardboard can be used to create a sturdy base for your Easter bonnet. Felt is a versatile material that can be used to create a variety of Easter bonnet designs, and ribbons can be used to create a decorative band around the base of your Easter bonnet. So, in conclusion, Easter bonnets are a fun and creative way to celebrate the holiday and welcome the arrival of spring. Whether you prefer a classic pastel colored design or want to experiment with more unconventional materials and elements, there are countless ways to create a unique and memorable Easter bonnet. So, let your creativity run wild and have fun with it. And if you like our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the like button.